it'll record. It'll record like 5 minutes, then it'll start another thing. And when it do that, it make that noise. Start another recording.
No, I just cannot get over it.
You know that was gonna happen, man. You know she was gonna
Yeah, I know. That's why I told that man that, because he said I could call him right now. He said I could call him right now while you just let her know that this is gonna be the last month she's gonna have the money.
Instead of letting them drop that bomb on her. Boom!
Yeah. So Lisa, she came and brought Mama a little money and brought her something
After
to
she
eat.
got the letter?
No, and then when she went home, she got that letter yesterday. Then she called and fussing, cursing and stuff. That is so stupid. So I'm gonna tell. I need to try to call the Mama Life Insurance Company to make sure that they know that Bobby
They ain't gonna be paying the bill.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go pay.
Now what? Now who you gonna talk to? Yeah. I'm looking for ice cream. A chocolate ice cream in a cup.
Ice cream cone?
In a cup.
In a cup. Chocolate ice cream in a cup.
You got a shake.
It's coming.
Okay.
Some women that work so crazy, black women, you know. We got one fat girl now.
Yeah.
She swear, she
What's
said
wrong?
everybody want her.
Ain't nobody
Even the
telling the
women.
truth. Say that again.
Like Miss Tracy be telling something, people be saying, why did you, remember I told her she picked her lab coat and said, don't be mad because you're just jealous, you ain't got all this. Her booty.
Who's she doing that to?
To Miss Tracy. She just Dominique crazy. She think everybody want her because they be looking at her. She said, you looked a little too long, you must want me. She be having a laugh and maybe mess up my thing. It's all so crazy. There you go again.
Thank you.
And she said, let me chill out because y'all gonna think I'm a lesbian in here. I ain't no lesbian. That girl said, yes, you is. She said, when you came on here and brought me them papers, you rubbing my hand. She said, I was trying to tell you, you need lotion. She crazy. Talking about, girl, you think everybody wants you. Nobody. She said, they do. And she said, and then the other girl said, Miss Melba, you got kids? I said, yeah, I got a daughter, a 23, a daughter, and an 8-year-old son. Well, I said an 8-year-old. She said, well, the 23, that's a, is that a boy or a girl? I said, it's a girl. She said, oh, because I was about to say, don't tell Dominique because she going to think your son won. I said, my son 8. And she said, oh, the 8-year-old want me too. She said, my boyfriend, little brother's 5 and he want me. I'm like, oh, y'all so stupid. It's so crazy. Black ladies, man. She in school. She's talking about everything. We talking about the Bible and talking about her name. Talking about when she come back, she want to come back. She want to come back doing the Latino have like a spiritual where they die and you come back or do something. Miss Trey was saying, ain't nobody trying to come back. You gonna live once and you die once and that's it. She said, ain't got time to come back. And she said, but I want to do that ancestral thing because I feel like I want to know what all the cultures I have in me. Miss Trey said, you black. She said, I know that, but they have other things that you mix with her. She said, girl, everybody got a little something mixed, but you black. Ain't nothing coming out from that thing but nigga. It's just so stupid. Like, I said, well, they do, you do it mixed with her. She said, I know that. But look at her, she black, and that's all that's gonna show. Nigga. It's like, Lord.